Okay, let's look at the number 3 here, okay? If a right triangle has legs of 6 and 8, its hypotenuse is 10. The triangle will be inscribed within the circle with area of 25 pi. The hypotenuse will be the diameter of the circle. Suppose one leg of the triangle is known to be exactly 6, but the other leg is known to be 8 with the area of this positive negative edge. What are the x, fx, and a in this problem? Okay, so when you look at this one, actually for this question, you don't need a graph. But I graph here just show you what's the story about. You can visualize more things there, okay? So we have a triangle. This is a right triangle like this, right? This is a right triangle. And then this right angle here. They said one side exactly 6. This one is 8, but with a positive or negative edge, either increase or decrease. Means there is error when you measure this side. But the hypotenuse is 10. This is inscribed in what? A circle. Okay, this is the ugly circle there. So this is the diameter, which is 10, right? So because this is 10, the radius is 5. That's why the area of the circle will be pi r squared equals pi times 5 squared equals 25 pi. That's no problem with that. I just explained this one with you first. But that's not related to the question about here. And because of this, you see here, because of the 8 here is not exactly 8, keeps changing with a positive or negative edge. So that means the volume of what? So that means the area of the triangle keeps changing, and also the area of the circle keeps changing. So because area, so since they're talking about the area of the circle, so we assume that the fx will be equals to what? Fx will be equals to pi r squared, or just x squared. Okay, we'll put it as x squared because this is the x. So x will be what? From here to here. This is the x, like this. So that's the area of the circle, right? And x should be what? The real measurement here will be the 10, right? So the x here, so this is suppose that the leg of triangle is known this one. Oh, no, let me correct it a little bit first. Okay, like this here. So here they're talking about, we're talking about the area of the triangle, okay? Area of triangle equals what? 1/2 base times the height, right? Okay, this is the 1/2. The base is, we consider it as what? X. You know why? Okay, here. The base, we consider it as the x. Because this will keep changing. So time by x. And then the y, the height is 6. So we know this one equals 3x like this. Okay? So this one will be what they call it as what? Fx. So fx will be equals this. Okay? And then this x will be represented by what? By the 10. Oh no, by the 8. Huh? Because that's the ideal measurement is 8, right? So the x is 8. And then, so x here is the, oh, this is the measurement. So x should be what? X plus positive, oh no, x here is 8, okay? Based on this book setting. And then the A, this A, that's where the error from here should be what? Positive or negative edge. Okay? So when you find the area of the triangle, you use the formula here. So we 1/2 base, this is the base, this is the x, and times the height, right? And then since the base keeps changing, so that means the fx equals to 3x. And then the x is the real measurement, the ideal measurement should be the 8, but the error is from the a here, which is positive negative edge. Okay? So if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you. Bye-bye.